Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to code this type form. The type form here is numbers. So I mean here that in this box the user cannot add letters or let's say special characters, but only numbers. For example, this is good for interview job and you would like to collect like this data like number of experience and etc. So stay with me, I will show you how to do that. The first thing you need to do here on your text editor is to create an HTML file and another one style.css, let's say a CSS file. Okay, here on CSS file I just added text align center, which means that all contents of this page will show in the center, right? That's it, for to not complicate you things for now. So after saving these two files on your computer or laptop, and you need to be sure that you will save them both HTML and CSS files on the same place. Okay, so let's now start coding. So the first thing we are going here to do is to add these codes. Okay, this means here that we are saying to our text editor which or explaining which language we are going to do here. It's an HTML one. Okay, so till here it's okay for you, I think. And then we are going to add a head. On the head we are not going to complicate things, we are just going to add meta charset. Okay, UTF-8. Okay, and then we are going to add the title of the page, of all of this page, the title. So here let's say for example form, right? And the last one we are going to add on head part is like to connect HTML with style.css. I mean these two files, to connect them, because like this, even if I refresh, but nothing will happen here for design and positions, replace the positions, I mean. So here we are going to add only link href, okay, style.css, which is the name of this CSS file, and then we are going to explain the relationship between these both files, and here is style sheet, right? And that's it. For now we finished. Okay, so for head that's it. Now we are going to code in the body part. This body part means everything what is going to show here, right? So the first thing is form, because always if you would like to create form type you need to add this form, and in you are going after that to explain what you would like, which kind of types you are going to code. So here label 4, and here we are going to say, let's say years. I will take the same example for to not confuse you. And here for now we are going to write years of experience, let's say. Okay, so if I refresh, you see here years of experience. Let's add only here like some space for that it will show small down. Yeah, like this, you see years of experience. So here what we do is only to explain to your user what means the box we are going here, and he will understand exactly what to do with this box or what to fill on this box, right? And after this label we are going to add input, which is exactly related to the box. ID here, let's say number, right? And after that name, you can name it year or number also, as ever you want. And after that here is the type of this form, which is a number here, right? And that's it. So if I refresh for now, boom, you see. So here in this box we added a form which will be only possible to add only numbers. You see, if I click here, you are going to see only numbers. You can fill. So even if we are going, let's say, to refresh here, we cannot type anything else except numbers. You understand? So this form type, sorry, is only for numbers, guys. So this is exactly regarding if you have, for example, like data to collect regarding numbers. As I told you here, let's say 4 years of experience, or doesn't matter what other. So thank you guys for watching this video till the end. I hope this short tutorial will be useful for you. Do not hesitate to leave a comment if you have any question regarding coding or regarding this video. Do not also forget to subscribe to my channel, because I will show you how to code many things, and I will make more video as soon as possible. See you next time.